Well, still on health news, February recording an increase in the number of sexually transmitted infections. Medical experts at the Pompey Medical Facility releasing those statistics. LaDawn Davis sat down with the medical director to find out which STIs are most common and efforts being made to shave down those numbers.
Startling statistics by health officials show that young people between the ages of 15 to 24 made up the 89 new cases of sexually transmitted infections recorded in February of last year, preferably chlamydia, gonorrhea, and syphilis. According to medical director and family physician Dr. Bernell Cardron of Pompey Medical, that number has skyrocketed to about 131 new infections in February this year.
People are more laid back, I think, and carefree. People are engaging in having more sexual partners and are less conscientious of testing. People aren't testing as much as they should. And I think a lot of times when people present with symptoms, that's kind of the lead that brings them in to get tested.
Now, what's even more startling is that Dr. Cardron says she's diagnosed more than 10 patients for various STIs last month alone.
We see it quite frequently, and we try our best to get the patient educated on what they're suffering from, and also we would send confirmatory samples to the lab so that we would make sure that we have the correct diagnosis and treat the patient correctly.
And while the list of symptoms for chlamydia, gonorrhea, and syphilis are extensive, Dr. Cardron says the scary part is that there are many victims who experience none at all, and their partners may not even know they're infected.
Persons who come in without any symptoms and who just come for regular testing, usually when they test positive, a lot of them are surprised. We try to consult with them as best as we could to relay their fears and relax, any anxieties they may have.
Dr. Cardron reassures the public that our Pompey Medical team will do all they can to keep those numbers at bay by hosting pop-ups, pep talks in schools and health fairs throughout its ongoing STI public awareness campaign. For the Bahamas Tonight, I'm LaDawn Davis.